For an accelerated nation-space program. His core competencies in technology speedily style of technology management by the government of India August 1949 Tirunelveli Appusa, he graduated in electrical engineering from Kerala University, completed his PG from Indian Institute of Management.
Future of the country who are going to make changes. I'm not talking from the eloquence that they have presented here, but the way they have looked at the situation, the way they have brought out, and the kind of enthusiasm that they have transferred to the people who are sitting in this room. I was asked a question by Dr. Jayaraman how we did it the first attempt. Basically, we learned from the experience of all others who failed in this attempt. When we decided that we should attempt to orbit a satellite around Mars, the global situation was 60% failure by the countries who have been in this field for a few decades. We wanted to do that, and we looked at all the failures that they went through, and we mounted efforts to ensure that we don't fail through those ways. There were several other ways of again failing, but like this, all heads were put together, and we realized the difference between national shame and national fame is very, very thin. There is a small failure somewhere that is sufficient to spoil the dish. So all the people were very attentive. They put all their heads together and found out what all ways this can be a failure and how do we take care of that. And as a team, they knew in any eventuality how they should recover from that. That is one aspect. The second one of it is the only opportunity in the life probably most of us were getting to do such a wonderful mission. So people from the age of 80 to people who were in the early 20s, all of them were excited to do for contribute, and we worked almost 18 hours a day, even many days 20 hours a day, and we made it. So when we people talk about how India did it in 4 years when somebody else was doing it in 11 years, how did it? We did it with 1/10 to the cost. These are all the reasons why we were able to achieve. What does it show? It shows that nothing is impossible if we have the grit and determination, and if we have the team behind us to do that. And at that time only, something of this nature, significant and top-rating result will come out. One more lesson is, when we take up any new major activity, there will be criticisms and comments. I am sure this great saint also went through it. Christ also went through it. We will also go through it. You will also go through in your life. Don't get swayed away by criticism. Go by your conviction. But in every criticism there is a signal. Catch hold of that signal and ensure that you harden your way of proceeding. Take care of all those issues, and then success is yours. That is the lesson that we have learned in this major mission, and that is the lesson which we want to pass on to the young generation who are going to see a great India in the future. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for this kind gesture, coming down all the way from Chennai to Bangalore to present this award, for the excellent function arranged, for the nice, kind words, and something at the end of our long career. We feel satisfied when we live in your hearts. Thank you.
Matthew on behalf of Bangalore Reports, the web and print media from Credible Group, on the occasion of honoring a very great scientist, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, with the Mother Teresa Award by Indian Development Foundation. This is because of his contribution to make India proud by sending a satellite to Mars. Much has been talked about his achievements and accolades. I would like to ask a few questions to dear sir. First of all, sir, we have been knowing that you are an inspiration to the young people. What is your first message to them?
Human life is very precious. There is a lot that we can do for the country and for the people around us. And what I liked with Indian Development Foundation is this is exactly what they are encouraging people to do.
Your thoughts on the young generation in terms of his scientific temperament, and what do you think it will achieve ahead, and what do you think should be their goals?
Science and technology has a lot to do for the development of this country, and there is a new phenomenon coming up. The younger generation are getting more and more enthused into taking science and technology as their engagement and doing something for the people around.
Any particular thing which you would like them to encourage them to do?
You have to leave a legacy when you leave this world. Do that for the country.
That's wonderful. I'm sure there are a lot of things more to track on for the young generation, and we are looking forward to looking up to you for giving us more inspiration in the future too. I'd like to now take on to Dr. A.P. Jayaram, yes, who has been working in the Baba Atomics Center, and here's another inspiring person and to the young generation. Sir, what is your message to the young generation?
To the young generation, I have to say this, that the only currency which the world recognizes is knowledge. Acquire it as fast as you can, as much as you can, so that you can survive and flourish in the knowledge economy.
So today's world is, but otherwise, a lot of quick gettings. They want it now, just in instant. Everything is instant. They want it today. They want it now. What do you have to say on that? Because research means a lot of time spent, a lot of energy spent in that area.
There are no quick technological fixes. The way is hard. You have to earn it at its pace and not at the speed at which you desire to have it.
That's great. Any goals which you would want India to achieve?
Yes, India should be in the front line of science and technology in all aspects.
That's something which we can always focus on, and we look forward to listening from you and hearing from you, sir, for in the coming days with into inspiring our young generation. Through IDF, what more needs to be achieved?
It has to be strengthened. The job is not done. We are going to cover a lot of areas, and we strengthen the whole area with people's participation.
Thank you very much for inspiring us.